Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find this garden guide book and grow a garden new beanstalk update. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that Grow a Garden has just dropped a new beanstalk update, and in this update guys, you will get this garden guide from the developer, and I'm going to show you where we can find it. So if you want to find this book, you can go to your inventory and then you can search for garden guide, and then you can hold it and you can click anywhere to open this book. Okay, and it will show you all this informations. Let me click on the player. Okay, this is my level, and then my daily quests, and then achievements. Okay, and this is the cool thing about this update. So you will get like quest, and then you can complete all the quests to get the prize. As you can see, let's open up the common achievements. Okay, and I think it's really crazy guys. You need to shovel 100 plants and also sell 500 strawberries, and I think the prismatic will be crazier. So let's just open up the prismatic achievements. Okay, and oh my god, it's really crazy. Okay, you need to harvest 20,000 mutated plants. Oh my god. Yeah, but if you can complete the achievement, you will get prismatic achievements, and I think it will be so crazy. Okay, and in this guide, you will be able to get plants information. Okay, let me click one of them. Okay, and then also for the paths, I'm going to open up the junk bot. And if you want to unlock the information about a specific plant or paths, you need to have them on your garden. Okay, and this is for the cosmetics and food. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.